start off our disassembly by removing the casing clamp. Remove your casing. Remove your shaft guard. Your impeller retainer, slide side to side, put it in the center location, remove your impeller. Turn your stub shaft, catch a retainer, set aside. Turn your back plate so that the tabs slide off the retaining pins. Set down in a safe place. Remove your seal assembly, spring, tab washer, O-ring, rotating seal. Inspect for damage. 1/8 inch T-handle. Remove your seal retainer. 3/16 T-handle. Remove your stub shaft. Slide stub shaft off the motor shaft. That concludes the disassembly of the C-Series Waukesha pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.